Healthy chicken recipe for weight loss recipe. Chicken is a great source of protein and can be a healthy addition to your diet when cooked in the right way. This easy chicken dish is perfect for those looking to lose weight, as it's low in calories and high in protein. The delicious tomato sauce adds tons of flavor to the chicken, making it a dish you'll love to eat. So, what are you waiting for? Give this chicken recipe a try today. Looking to cook a healthy chicken dish that will help with your weight loss goals? Try this simple recipe. 1.5 pounds. Boneless, skinless chicken breast 1 tablespoon olive oil 1 teaspoon. Paprika 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1/2 teaspoon. Onion powder salt and pepper. To taste healthy chicken recipe for weight loss. Cooking instruction 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Grease a baking dish with cooking spray. Season chicken with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder and onion powder. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, and cook chicken until browned on both sides and cooked through. Place chicken in the prepared baking dish. 2. Bake chicken in the preheated oven for 25 minutes, or until cooked through. Serve immediately. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.